Can you hear the sound, right?
Yep.
Hello guys, hari ni ada satu customer hantar iPhone 11 Pro Max untuk tukar kamera sebab selalu letak dekat holder atas motor, gegar. Kamera dia macam biasa lah, shaky. Okay, dengar kali ni lebih special sikit sebab speaker pun tak ada sound, speaker atas ni. So customer kalau nak maintain dia punya Face ID, so kami tukar speaker dia lah. Alright, dapat dah siap lah. Kita test nama speaker. Okay, suara atas kuat juga. Alright, kamera kami test. Belakang tengok ada shaking tak? Okay, fokus dekat tulisan. Okay, tak shaking. Okay, bukan sebab kamera rosak tau, sebab customer punya ini cover, ada lens cover protector tu. Lepas tu fokus jauh. Okay, jauh tu okay. Okay, siap. Done already. Okay, we check the camera. Can focus, no shaking. Okay, near and far. Both okay lah. And the speaker, 1 minute lah. Can you hear the sound, right?
Yes.
On the top here.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute lah. I'll let you test call.
Yeah.
Hello, test.
Yeah.
Okay, this number have a WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
The receipt of data will be sent through the WhatsApp for you.
Yeah.
So you want to pay cash or online?
QR.
QR, biasa ya. The online banking, online.